In this video we are going to unbox Arjuna Jee module for class 11th. In more detail, I have already unboxed the module through the delivery guy, so this is more like a product lookup or review. On the top, this is the printed invoice of the module. As you can see, I got this at short event 129 which I ordered on the 30th of March. Now let us put them all out. These are quite heavy as it is a set of 15 books, and its weight would be around 5 kilograms. I just want to tell you, if you need second-hand used books or new books, you can check this channel. So, let's arrange these so I could show it to you patiently. So, as you can see, there are booklets for physics, chemistry and mathematics. Let us grab the chemistry one first. At the top, there is chemistry module 1, then 2, then 3, and lastly then 4. For physics, there is also 4 booklets which follow the same as chemistry syllabus. And lastly, for mathematics, there is also the same 4 booklets, same pattern as followed in both chem and physics. Additionally, we also get solution books for each subject. There is for physics, then mathematics, and at the bottom there is for chemistry. Now let's see the content of the book. As mentioned, here is the latest 2026 edition module. At the left side of the page we get chapter names and sub-contents of each. Moving forward, the first page is of something like a progress tracker, plan and pointer. The name that is 3P Progressor. I don't know what this is, but it's like some guidance suggestions like a preface. Go to the first chapter, which is kinetic theory of gases. All here is theories, all theory, only theory and theory. Still here theories. One chapter is that long, this would take a week to complete. Finally, something different. It's self-named as exam. So it exams. Basically examples are. After that we will get the school level problems, which would be for school going students. On the next flip we get program at topic wise. It looks like medium level question exercises, but I don't know exactly what it is. Now real stuff came. Prahal G mains level, so it's questions specifically for GE mains exam, which is quite a good thing. Here later we get Parikshit at GEADV and CD level. As you know, it's for advanced level preparation. There is a lot of variation in the type of questions. Cool, we also get PQS. Nice. Probably this would be for mains, as I heard advanced questions don't repeat. And here is also variation. There is more stuff, it's a PW challengers. And I also heard PDO lately added this in their modules. And as there are now solutions of the chapters. Yeah, we did. On flipping there is the beginning of thermodynamics. So aspirants, that's it for this video. I hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching.